Hello, young explorers. Today, we're diving into a mystery we encounter every day. Why is it so important to brush our teeth? It might seem like a simple task, but believe it or not, there's a world of excitement in our toothbrushes and a reason why every dentist insists on this little ritual. So grab your favorite toothbrush and let's uncover the fun secrets behind brushing your teeth. First, let's imagine your mouth as a vibrant city. Each tooth is like a building, and like any city, we have workers bustling about. These workers are actually tiny creatures called bacteria. Some are quite helpful, but others are a bit naughty, much like little pranksters sneaking about. If we don't keep our city clean, these prankster bacteria form something called plaque, a sticky, invisible film that hangs out on surfaces like teeth and gums. What does plaque do, you ask? Well, it's like putting a coat of invisible goo over your buildings, making them weak and crumbly over time. Now, enter the hero of our story, your trusty toothbrush. When we brush, we're essentially sweeping away this pesky plaque. But did you know our battle doesn't stop there? When we brush with toothpaste, we add an important ally named fluoride. Fluoride is like a superhero shield, making our teeth strong and ready to fight off those bacteria villains. It even helps heal tiny spots of damage before they turn into big problems like cavities, which are holes made by tooth decay. Here's a fun thought. Imagine each tooth is having a tiny spa day. When you brush, you're massaging them to keep them happy. And happy teeth mean a more cheerful you, because taking care of your teeth can also make you feel more confident and proud of your sparkling smile. Speaking of sparkles, did you know that brushing also keeps your breath fresh? No one wants a case of dragon breath, right? Brushing your teeth and tongue helps sweep away food particles and banish smelly bacteria, keeping your dragon breath at bay. While brushing your teeth twice a day is important, when you brush is also key. Think of your mouth as a garden. In the morning, brushing helps prepare it for the day, washing away leftover food bits and bacteria that settled in overnight. At night, brushing clears away the day's adventures, like those delicious, sticky snacks you love, ensuring nothing bad can grow while you sleep. But remember, brushing alone doesn't eradicate all the little food remnants hiding out. This is where flossing comes in. Imagine floss as a special key that unlocks those tricky spots between your teeth, where food can hide and cause mischief. By brushing and flossing, you're not just cleaning your teeth, you're giving them a special, caring hug that says, "Hey, I'm looking out for you." Here's another intriguing fact. Healthy teeth do more than help us chew. They play a big role in how we speak and pronounce words. Teeth help form letters and sounds, making our words clearer. So when you brush, you're not just cleaning, you're also helping yourself become a better communicator. Now, let's sprinkle in some wisdom from the world of animals. Did you know that some animals don't need to brush their teeth anymore? For instance, sharks naturally shed their teeth regularly, growing new ones, which means they're always sparkling clean. And elephants have their own special kind of toothpaste. They chew on sticks to clean their teeth. While our teeth are different, we have our toothbrushes to do the important job. In wrapping up our tooth tale, let's take a moment to appreciate why taking care of our teeth is like guarding precious jewels. Brushing twice a day for at least 2 minutes each time is a quick, simple habit that can save your smile, your health, and even your favorite meals from disappearing because of dental issues. Remember, brushing is more than just about preventing cavities. It's about feeling good, speaking well, and keeping our entire body healthy. So, young adventurers, here's your mission. Grab your brushes, enjoy the magical foam of the toothpaste, and have fun with your daily toothy dance. Share these fun facts with friends and family, and let's all journey together to keep those wonderful teeth strong and bright. Until next time, remember, a happy toothbrush is the key to a winning smile. Keep brushing and stay awesome.